It does not matter what season it is. I am a ice girly through and through. I always need ice in my drink, and having a cute little portable countertop ice machine is a must in this household. So this is a brand new one I just got, and I am thoroughly impressed. Honestly, my husband filled it up, and I read on there that it says every 6 minutes it makes 8 cubes, and he plugged it in and we started talking, and then I heard the ice fall and I was like, wait, was that already? Like, I know it's 6 minutes, but it seems way faster than that, which is awesome. So simple to use. You just fill it up with water. You have your on and off button, and then you can select. You do have, you can do your small or your large cubes. And then of course you have your power, and then it will let you know if the tray right here is full, meaning there's too much ice in here and it's unable to like dump some. You have the cute little basket that you can take out. What I like to do is I keep a big Ziploc in my freezer. So I will dump this into the Ziploc, put in the freezer, and just let it make ice all day. And then it also will let you know if you need to add some water, which is fantastic. It does come with a great little scooper here. The bottom end is flat so that it is standing up straight. A lot of them aren't like that, so that you would be having it left on the table or on the counter. And you know, that's not super hygienic. So the fact that you can keep it standing up is fantastic. This is super lightweight. You do have a handle, really easy and portable. These ones are really great, like to bring with you, you know, if you're going camping and you have, you know, access to like a power source, because it does need to be plugged in if you're in an RV, or if you're just going to like a friend's party and they need ice, well, you can just bring this and you'll just have a constant flow of ice. And yeah, so basically it is made in the back. There are the little metal rods and the water is dipped in there, and it just gets super, super cold. And then it's going to come through, filter through, and it's going to drop right into the ice bucket. So I love this. I love how small and compact it is. But man, it's powerful.